Morning everyone. Thought I'd redo this video that we tried to do yesterday. I had a bit of a cold, so a few people told me that I was sniffling and coughing a little bit, so we'll redo it today as I'm feeling just that little bit better. So we're on site at the moment at Sherwood Forest. I'm just going to turn the camera around so you can at least see the site as I walk you through it. There, fine. So as I tried to explain yesterday, we've got a site up at Sherwood Forest. It's the old visitor centre that is now being demolished, and they are looking to take it back to its natural habitat, I suppose. So in terms of the forest itself, there are a number of trees that they need to protect. So they've asked our guys to come in and install our temporary access mats, or our heavy duty access mats, to protect the tree roots. We've got about 1,200 mats on site, which is over 3,500 square metres of matting that's going down. You've got the ground workers still here at the moment who are laying sand and teram, which again is an extra protective layer for the tree roots, and the matting has then been installed on top of that. Just making our way into the site at the moment, and you'll see the main entrance. So here you have the actual product. We're using the EMAT or Euromat heavy duty access mats. They are 8 foot by 4 foot polyethylene sheets, 12 mil thick, weight tested up to around 80 tonnes. Obviously, like all these things, all depends on the ground conditions that you're using them on. But in this case, we've actually got a pretty good surface to work with. And as I said, the contractors, the ground workers, are laying a layer of sand and teram for the matting to go down on. At the moment, we're just doing the final touches over today, just reconnecting some of these mats that are out of line a little bit. But we hope that we'll finish today around 3 o'clock. Morning, James.
Morning. Got to move down, so then obviously.
So as you enter the actual compound, which is where the demolition work is going to be taking place, you can see the old visitor centre here. The whole project itself is due to last around 20 to 25 weeks. I believe the demolition company are coming in around 2 weeks' time. Scaffold company come in next week, and they've got to erect the scaffolding around the building, but also taking care not to damage the trees that are in this area. Whole project, I believe, is costing around £4 million to be done, and as I say, it's due to be completed in around 20 to 25 weeks. So you've got the main padded area here. The site itself has actually got a weight limit, because again, protecting the tree roots, they've suggested that no plant or machinery will be accessing the site of 3 tonnes or more. So again, for us and for the product itself, this is a very easy job to be a part of. They've got a main turning area in this section, and then just further down there they'll have another turning area for the plant and machinery that are delivering goods and also taking the rubble away and out of sight. As you can see, we've used a shed load of 4-way connectors here, which are connected at these points, and then around the edges you'll find, well, maybe not in this section, but around the edges generally we'll use the 2-way connector. For some reason everybody's used 4-way connectors around this point, but that may be because we're adding more mats at a later date. As I say, we're doing a bit of a walkthrough at the moment. Here's a couple of 2-way connectors there used at the edge, but we're doing a bit of a walkthrough at the moment, just pointing out areas that need readjusting and reconnecting in a slightly different way. It's been a little bit challenging because, to be fair, the actual site itself is still changing in terms of the layout, even today. All this decking is coming out and we're having to lay mats there, but I think inevitably we'll be leaving mats on site for the contractor to use as and when they see fit. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope that was a little bit yet better than yesterday's and there was less coughing and spluttering. If you've got any questions on our products, then all you've got to do is contact us. Hope you have a nice day.